In this video, I will show you how to export Recut videos for YouTube. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. After reviewing your cuts in Recut, simply go to Export in the top right corner and choose the editing platform that you'll be using. So I will be using DaVinci Resolve, then tap the blue export button just below it. Once your video has completed downloading, go to DaVinci, make sure you are on the edit page, right-click in Media Pool, go to Timelines, Import, and select the first one that has AAFEDL. Once your video has been imported, you can then make more edits to your video, like color grading, adding music, transitions, and so much more. When you are happy with your edits and ready to finish your project, tap the rocket in the bottom right corner. At the top, you will see a list of different render settings. Scroll to the right until you find YouTube. You will then see a drop-down menu, and then you can choose the quality of your video. 720p, 1080p, 1440p, and 2160p being the best quality. Select your desired quality, add to render queue, give your project a name, select where you'd like to save it, and then in the top right you will see render all. Select that and your video will start processing. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.